This is the Foldylock Forever, world's strongest folding lock. And this is how it all began. A bike and a street lamp. For over 200 years, the good guys have been trying to connect between them, and the bad guys have been trying to separate them by force. This led to the invention of the chain lock, a highly irritating locking solution that gets in the way when you're cycling, and it's inconvenient to use. No wonder cyclists have been looking for an alternative. This is how the U-Lock was born, the ultimate locking solution. If only it was a bit wider. Seems it's never the right size with a U-Lock. There must be a better solution. And that's how folding locks were invented. A versatile and convenient locking solution with just one downside. They don't stop professional thieves that continue celebrating on the streets. Now that party's over. Foldylock Forever has arrived. Foldylock Forever is the world's strongest folding lock, setting a new level of security and meeting the strictest international standards. It's packed with cutting-edge patents, offering unique engineered solutions, enhancing durability, protection, and usability, making it the ultimate protection tool. Foldylock Forever. Evolution ends here.